Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 月 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 月 moon, month, for example, 岁月 years, or time. Now check this sentence. She would live for herself in the coming years. She would live for herself in the coming years.在以后的岁月里，她只为自己而活。在以后的岁月里，她只为自己而活。In the coming years， 在以后的岁月里，在以后的岁月里，他只为自己而活。She would live for herself in the coming years. 在以后的岁月里，她只为自己而活。月 in cursive. 月 moon, month, 岁月 years, time. She would live for herself in the coming years. 在以后的岁月里，她只为自己而活。月 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 月. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.